Those letters don't match. I think someone had coronavirus.
What letters?
That's not English.
Oh. Freaking weird Russians, man.
Yeah, we might just fill her on off. Like 18 layers of tape, but I like it.
It's definitely protected.
Oh nah, I know it's you.
No, that's my girl's.
Uh-oh, there's a new one.
No, not a new one.
The little white one?
Yeah, she's not new. She just gets visitation rights to us sometimes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, getting.
Nice.
I say camera, I'm at my phone.
Get your camera. Whenever mics get this easel up and running.
Well, hopefully within the next month or two.
Uh-oh. Nori-san's gonna work his magic. Alright, as you guys saw yesterday, I got my lights. And they are here. They are here. I don't know if that's I think that's just a light bulb. That's the bulb itself. But I also got the center garnish. This one's also gonna have the LED, damn, I lost my voice there. The LED light display and everything going on. So I'm about to hook everything up. Gonna take these bad boys out. And the guy also, like I said yesterday, he sent the sealant. He sent the sealant with it, bro. Like, not many of these people will do that, but yeah. Sealant. Everything was nicely wrapped. So got the whole kit here with everything in it, the lights, and we're gonna get started on hooking these up. I mean, it's pretty simple. I don't want to bore you guys of taking out lights. Literally, it's like what, 6 bolts or so in the back, and just push it out evenly because it's going to be the glue stuck in for, not the glue, but the sealant that's pretty much stuck in there. So you don't want to break anything. So just try and gradually push it out. Or sometimes you get a little bit of heat around the back area and it'll probably loosen it up. And we'll get the lights off, get these covers off. Put those covers on here, on these, and get ready to hook everything up. All right, I got the lights installed. Finally, make sure you have a good seal around. I mean, that's with any light, but I also tested it. I put water in here to make sure that the seal was good to go. Like I said, he sent sealant with it. So the connection to these lights are kind of misleading. This pamphlet shows you some of the information, but yeah, good luck trying to see what that says right there for the connection. So I had to actually try to contact the guy. I actually got in contact with him through email, and then we got to WhatsApp, and then got to this. He told me the way to hook up everything, so I'm gonna spread the word. So there's a 5-pin connector and a 6-pin connector with a 5 pins in it, which is this one. So this is a 6-pin here with the 5-pin connector, and this is the one that goes to your, let's see here, it goes to your Infiniti lights. These goes to the lights. So this is how you hook it up. So you find that wire harness that has the 6-pin one with the 5-pin connector, and it goes to this one. So these are actually interchangeable to where you can use this one and you can use this one, which gives you an app. If you can go to this barcode here, it takes you to an app, and you can use this one to change the light display like on demand. But for driving purposes, you'll want to use this one, but also you can use this one. I just got to learn how to, use this one to make it work. So 6-pin connector is the one for this controller and this one. The 5-pin connector, which is this one, goes to your turn signals. So 5-pin connector harness you get for your turn signals, and this one has a 2-wire black and green that plugs directly into the controller, and this portion of it goes into the back of the controller. And you're gonna get also with this a single blue wire that's naked, and you're also gonna get the this piece here, which is the fuse, that's gonna come with the kit. So you want to cut that in half, put one end of the fuse, one end of the wire here, the other directly to the battery, and that's gonna give you your turn signal lights and everything for that. So I still have to see how the the garnish, it's pretty cool. It goes with the lights. So what's ever going on with the lights, that's what the garnish also try and displays. So I'll give you a preview. So for the lights to turn on, also the turn signal lights, what we do is we go here, turn the lights on. The lights are on. And this is the Infiniti tunnel. Lights are on. Man, it's badass. I like it. So it's red there, Infiniti tunnel. And then if you turn the key on so you can have your turn signals to turn on. The front turn signals are gonna turn much quicker for some reason. I'm pretty sure because it's not seeing the bulb connected here in the back with ground. But here, you can change this portion of it, which is this one, or I can go to this one. And that's by me pressing the up and down here on this, and I can change the speed of it. Let's see, let's change it to 15 or 20 or whatever. That's it. I really like the lights. We're gonna take the car out now since I bled the Altezza, and we're gonna check and make sure everything's good to go. But this is it for the Infiniti lights. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and hey, let's keep going. Alright, still got a little bit of setting up to do, but I just came out here to drive it for a little bit. But here are the lights. And one more thing, big shout out to Robert Hunter for coming and help me with this great assist. Really appreciate it, Rob. Squashy son, you're great. Appreciate it.